And we're going to look at question number 2D, which is solve the complex fraction equation. So we're going to solve this equation for the variable a. Now to do this, before we do anything, we really should state restrictions. So here in this denominator we have a not equal to -2. Here a can't be equal to +2. In this expression here, because it factors to a plus 2 plus a 2 minus a can't be equal to positive or -2. And in this a here, if it's equal to -2, we get 0 in the denominator. So I can state my restrictions as a not equal to plus or -2. Okay, so that would be the first part. Now I've got this fraction in here. I think what I'm going to do is I'm just going to multiply by 2 and 2 just to simplify just this fraction here. And I can do that because I'm multiplying both top and bottom by 2. So I'm just going to end up with 1 over 2 plus a minus 1. I'm just going to rewrite everything on the left hand side. I'm going to factor that just so that I have the factors there. And here I'm going to end up with 2 on top. Okay, and then I'm going to multiply this. I get 2 plus, the 2's cancel out, so I get 2 plus a. Okay, so at this point I have the factors. My common denominator is just going to be these two factors multiplied together. So I want to just get rid of all the fractions here. Well, just the fractions in the bottom here. And I'm going to do that by multiplying by 2 plus a, 2 minus a. I'm going to now multiply both sides of the equation. So here I only multiplied top and bottom, so I only had to worry about this term. Here I'm multiplying both sides of the equation, so I can cancel out both sides, things on both sides. So I'm just going to start from the left-hand side, the right-hand side here. The 2 plus a's cancel, so I'm still left with 2 times 2 minus a, like that. The 2 plus a, 2 minus a's cancel, so I'm just left with minus 1. Here the 2 minus a's cancel, so I'm just going to write an extra step there. I end up with 1 over 2 plus a minus 1. And when the 2 minus a's cancel, I'm still left with 2 plus a. Okay, so then I can multiply this through. The 2 plus a's cancel, so I'm with 1 minus 2 plus a. Now, it's really important that you don't forget the brackets here, because that's not really a plus a, that's a minus a. Okay, so this is a really important step. This is where a lot of people will make mistakes. So minus 1, the plus 1, minus 1 cancel out, and I multiply out these brackets, and I put something that looks like that. So simplifying this, I get -2 minus a, remember that became a minus, equals 4 minus 2a. I'm going to add 2a to both sides, so I get 2a plus -a is just 1a on this side. Add 2 to both sides, I end up with a equals 6. So that's my final solution. And checking that against my restrictions, yeah, it passes my restrictions. So a equals 6 must be my solution.